Hello, it's Uncle Roger. Many people asking me how to make rice. Today I show you the Asian way. Uncle Roger have many white friends tell me they use saucepan. Saucepan? Hiya! World War II is over. Use technology. Proper Asian use rice cooker. Step 1. Pour the rice in the rice bowl. Step 2. Wash the rice. Step 3. Use finger to measure water. Now put it back in rice cooker and press play. Let rice cooker handle the cooking. Now you have time to think about your sad life. Why do the people you love always leave you? Oh, now rice is ready. Open the rice cooker and fluff the rice. Oh my god, so nice, so satisfying.